Hi guys, today I will show you one hamster and 4 birds. Guys, this is my hamster. He is called DP. The sense of DP, or we can call the meaning of DP, is double player. I chose this name because he wanted very much to play and he loved me very much. Now, stop talking guys. I will show you my birds. Guys, she is Ricolata. On the left is Ricolata and on the right is Rico, her big brother. She is her sister. In original, Rico is bigger than Ricolata, and she is the mother, Riolata, and on top of her is Rico. Guys, as you can see, on the left you will see Rio. He do not have much feather on her head. Here is Rio. Guys, and inside of this home is 4 eggs, and when the eggs will open, I will have 4 baby birds more than my 4 birds. I will have 8 birds, and the eggs are boy, boy, girl, girl. Guys, I just want you to laugh, and please subscribe to my channel, and please put a thumbs up. Bye.